jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh.
Good morning, everybody. It's literally not morning, it's afternoon. It's like, yeah, 1:30 in the afternoon. It's December 3rd, and it's Vlogmas day 5, I think. That's exciting. It's a heckin' snow day. So if you saw the first clip, we woke up. The snow day was really weird. So obviously I talked about it in yesterday's vlog. The weather people have been talking a lot about this snowstorm and how weird it's going to be. So it came in like 2 spans. It was supposed to come like Sunday night to Monday, and then Monday night into mostly Tuesday, and Tuesday was going to be really bad. But I woke up, I thought it was supposed to snow overnight. Last night, we got nothing on the first band of it. But I was expecting it to snow overnight. Like they said, it was going to start at like midnight and snow. But the heaviest of it would be today. We woke up at like 6, and it was sleeting. And there was like absolutely no snow on the ground. It was just like this sleet hitting my windshield. LOL, my windows. And then it progressively changed into snow, and now it's just been snow. So Bangor was predicted to get 6 to 10 inches. Can't really say it's even close to that right now. It's pretty light snowing out, and there's maybe an inch or 2. But school's canceled for the day. The only thing I'm waiting on to hear about is work tonight, but I guarantee I won't have to go in because I'm this secondhand tonight, so they normally call me out if it's snowing and if it's going to be dead, and it will. They've closed for the day, so like it depends on if they're even going to open at all. The plus side is that the snow is really light. It looks like it goes with the wind really quick, so all of our cars aren't really covered, which is good for me because I don't have to clean my car off. But I figured it would be a fun little vlog to do, like a snow day, like what I do in a snow day. It's really nice to have a snow day. We're used to them in Maine, but it's really fun because you get an entire day to do things that you didn't think you were going to do. Like today, I thought I would be busy all from 1 to 9 o'clock tonight, but now I pretty much have the whole day free. So the plan is I'm going to make breakfast, quote unquote lunch really, but I did my first snow day normal thing and slept the heck in until 1 o'clock. I woke up at 9-ish, I think, and I FaceTimed my mom for probably an hour, so I didn't get back to bed until like 10:30, and that's why I slept for another 3 hours. But that's what you gotta do on a snow day. It's heckin' a nice day to just sleep in. So I'm going to make some French toast because I have the time to make a nice breakfast like that. And then I'm going to do some studying. I watch a movie. I'm going to make some hot chocolate. And then later tonight, my dad is actually up this way for a meeting for his work. And he's going to rescue me with my charger. So if you didn't see yesterday's vlog, go watch that because it explains at the end why I don't have my laptop charger, that I need it. So I might meet my dad later for dinner, and then he can hand me off my charger. If not, maybe he'll just drop it off here if I work or something. But anyways, this was a really long intro. Beginning of the vlog, whatever. Yeah, so basically that's the plan. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you when I make breakfast. tummies are full, dishes are clean. I have unloaded my dishwasher, took care of the dishes from breakfast as well as ones I had just sitting in the sink. Just been sipping on my hot chocolate on my phone for a little bit. I want to take B outside to hang out for a little bit because she's only experienced icy snow, and this is super fluffy, fun snow, so I want her to experience that, but it's still really windy. I think the snow is supposed to stop around 5, but like it gets dark at 4. Like it's 3 and it's gonna get dark in like an hour, so maybe I'll take her out now and just play for a little bit, and then from there, just hang out, gonna do homework. That's the tea. I think I'll see you guys outside now. You wanna go for a walk outside? You do? Okay, we're gonna go. So we went outside. We were out there for like 2 minutes. It's actually really freaking cold out. And she doesn't have her winter coat yet because I got it for her for Christmas. And I put a sweater on her, but like the snow just clings to it. So I need her jacket to be able to take her outside because that's like normal jacket material. Otherwise, she just ate the snow pretty much. But it was kind of funny for her to sink right into it. She's about as tall as the amount of snow we have right now. But she's rolling around on the towel, as you saw, trying to get dry. I think that's a mood. Yeah, it was kind of fun just to take her out. But now I'm gonna get some homework done. I don't know my plans still. It's 3 o'clock and the next shift for Sweet Frog is supposed to be at 4. I don't go until 6:30, but I have heard nothing about if they're opening or what. I doubt it because it's still snowing pretty good, so we'll see. But otherwise, I might be meeting my dad. Maybe I'll invite some friends over. I don't really know. My hair is disgusting right now. That's just college. College life. All right, I'm gonna do some homework now. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock, and what the heck, it looks like it's midnight. The snow has finally slowly ceased. We just went through a lot of emotions, and I should have filmed it because I was crying a lot. But basically, the tea was, one, I had a mental breakdown about school, and the other one was I almost got called into work, but then I didn't. So that's good because now I can stay home and study some more, and my dad's gonna come over. So my dad, as I said before, was in a meeting, sort of close by here, closer than obviously home, and he's gonna come over and I'm gonna cook him dinner and he's gonna give me my charger. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna do some studying until he gets here. It's probably gonna be like an hour until he gets here just because of the snow and the traffic on the highway and all that stuff. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of a montage of me studying now. Alright, yo, it's 7:30 and my Teddo arrived. Say hi, Ted. Say hi, Ted.
Hello.
So, we're just gonna hang out, probably watch a movie, maybe eat some ice cream, but I'm gonna finish studying, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I don't know when my next one will be. Probably this weekend, if not maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We're just studying tomorrow, so would that be exciting? I don't know. But that's the plan, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!